Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about skin diseases. So, are you looking for a homeopathic cure for skin diseases? So, in this video, I will be talking about the homeopathic treatment for skin diseases along with the best homeopathic medicine which I use for treating skin diseases. So, if you are suffering from skin diseases, then this video is definitely for you. So, watch this video till end for more knowledge and stay connected with us for more informative videos like this. Any medical condition that affects to the skin, nails, hairs, underlying glands and muscles is included under heading of the skin diseases. Now we'll talk about the skin, its structure and function. So skin is the outermost part of the human body which the environment and harmful organisms. Skin is made up of three layers of the tissues. Everybody are familiar with this, that is epidermis, dermis and subcutaneous tissues. It also has two appendages, that is hair and nail, and three glands, sweat glands, sebaceous gland and apocrine gland. Blood supply of the skin is through a large number of arteries, which anastomosis in the subdermal region, from which arterioles extends to the dermis. These are again interconnected to each other, and from this, arterioles run upward and form a second network of subpapillary capillary plexus in the upper dermis. And terminal arterioles extends from there to the papillae capillaries loop which drains to the connected venules. The skin contains a good network of lymphatics which drains into few large vessels in the subcutaneous tissues, and the nerve supply of the skin consists of motor sympathetic part arising from the sympathetic ganglions and sensory part arising from the dorsal root of the ganglions. The most important function of the skin is to protect the body by various means and mechanisms. Sebum secreted by sebaceous glands make the skin supple. Melanin produced by the melanocytes present in the basal layer of the epidermis protect the body from UV radiations. Body temperature is controlled by sweat glands through secretions and evaporation of the sweat. So this was all about the skin, its layers and its various functions, its nerve supply. Now we'll talk about the homeopathic treatment. So homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of skin diseases. Let's talk about the homeopathic medicines. So, as we all know that homeopathy is one of the most popular holistic system of the medicine, and the selection of the homeopathic medicines for the skin disease is based upon the theory of individualization and symptom similarity by using holistic approach. This is the only way through which a state of complete health can be regained by removing all the signs and symptoms from which the patient is suffering. The aim of the homeopathic medicine for skin disease is not only to treat skin disease but to address its underlying causes. And patient is concerned, several well-proven homeopathic medicines are available for the skin treatment that can be selected on the basis of cause, location, sensation, modalities, and extension of the complaint. And for individualized remedy selection and treatment, the patient should consult a qualified homeopathic doctor in person. Now we will talk about the homeopathic medicines for skin diseases or skin treatment. So first and the foremost, homeopathic medicine is graphitis. So graphitis is our great homeopathic medicine for skin diseases of all sort of skin related issues. No doubt often misprescribed and calling for it are very clear. There are moist scabby eruptions on the scalp, face, veins of the joints, between fingers, and behind the ears. The corners of the mouth and the eyes are cracked, bleeding and oozing of gluey, honey like, thick, tenacious discharge of fissured eczema is a type. Great itching always accompanies the eruption. The skin may be dry and horny. The hair is dry and falls out. Now, second medicine is arsenic album. Arsenic album is another useful homeopathic medicine for skin diseases in all cases of skin troubles when the skin is thickened, such as in chronic eczema, psoriasis, and chronic urticaria. The sensations are itching, burning, and swelling. It also has papules, nettle rashes, and pimples. There is a burning sensitive ulcers with offensive discharges. It is almost a specific medicine for hives from shellfish with itch and burn and for now our next homeopathic medicine for the skin ailments is sulfur. The great characteristic of this homeopathic medicine is aggravation from washing with scratching makes the part burn intensely. The skin is rough, coarse, and measly. And there is a much soreness in the folds of the skin and is a tendency to pustular eruptions, dryness, and heat of the scalp with intense itching, especially at night. Eruptions of yellow crust, eruptions at the margins of the hair. Now, our next homeopathic medicine for skin problem that is Miserium. This homeopathic medicine is considered as the best homeopathic medicine in crust lactea. There is a great itching which is worse when the patient is warm or wrapped up, producing scabs from beneath which an acrid thick pus oozes. Crust and itching are the features. Herpes zoster with neuralgia, pain along with the nerves. Now the next homeopathic medicine is Rustox. Vascular eruptions characterizes Rustox, so it becomes a remedy in herpes zoster eczema and prurigo. It is useful in right-sided herpes zoster with extensive vesication and perhaps accompanied with rheumatoid pains. The skin is covered with numerous fascicles. There is a great itching and tingling. The skin is often swollen and edematous, and these vesicles have a red areola around them. The symptoms are all worse at night, in damp weather, and in winter. Next homeopathic medicine for skin ailment is Sorinum. Let's talk about it. Herpetic eruptions with much itching, worse when getting warm in bed. The skin is dirty, greasy, unwashed in appearance. Tinea capitis, offensive matter ooze out. Sebaceous glands secrete in axis. Eczema more on the side of the head and face, cheeks and ears. Eruptions in the bends of the joint, pustules or boils remaining after itch. A most important remedy in all the skin affections, and we should not forget tuberculinum and syphilinum along with this. Homeopathic medicine for the skin diseases, Hippersulf. So, moist eruptions in folds of the skin and itching in the bends of the joint. The skin is extremely sensitive and suppurates easily, and pimples forms around ulcers. Humid eczema of the scalp, sore and sensitive to touch. Eczema of the scrotum and the genital organs, boils. It is especially useful after the use of the ointments containing zinc or mercury. So this was all about the homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of all kind of skin disease or skin ailments. So that's all for today. That's all for today. See you guys in our next video. Till then stay connected with us for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below, and yes, press the bell icon for more updates. Stay safe and stay healthy. And if you are suffering from skin diseases or any other kind of health illnesses, then you can contact us on the screen. You can see how you can contact us for online appointments. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video.